Good morning friends. Today we will continue exercise 6.2. In last video we have solved question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will solve question number 5 and question number 6 today. See, in question number 5 it is given that DE is parallel to OQ. See, look at this. DE is parallel to OQ. That means we need to consider triangle POQ. In a triangle, if a line is parallel to one side of a triangle, then I can use BPT. So BPT use करायचा असेल तर ट्रायंगल मध्ये एका साइडला एक लाइन पॅरलल असणे गरजेचे आहे. So they have given us that DE parallel OQ, so we can use BPT in triangle POQ. First step. Second step, this DF is parallel to OR. It is again given. So we need to consider triangle POR because DF is parallel to OR. It is in triangle POR. Then use BPT. Second statement, you will get second statement, and from 1 and 2 you will get LHS equal, then RHS is equal. Make the statement number 3, and by using statement number 3 and by using converse of basic proportionality theorem you can prove. So let us start with step by step. See, given DE parallel OQ and DF parallel OR, I need to prove EF, that is this line is parallel to QR. So first, in triangle POQ, DE parallel OQ, it is given. Now if you use BPT, this PD upon DO is equals to PE upon EQ. Statement number 1, let the reason BPT हे लिहिणं खूप गरजेचं आहे. and triangle POR मध्ये DF is parallel to OR. Now again I can use the BPT. PD upon DO is equals to PF upon FR. So statement number 2, BPT. Now look at the statement number 1 and 2. This LHS PD upon OD and PD upon OD. That means RHS has to be equal. So from 1 and 2 I can write P upon EQ is equals to PF upon FR. Now look at this third statement. P upon EQ is equals to PF upon FR. That means the two sides of a triangle are in the same ratio, and when it is possible, when the line is parallel to third side. That means this is nothing but converse of BPT. If a line divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then that side has to be parallel to third side. So by using converse of BPT in triangle PQR, I can say EF is parallel to QR, and in this way this question is, or this is proved. So this question might be for 3 marks or sometime for 2 marks also. Now in this question, see, question number 6 is almost same as question number 5. Those who understood this question, definitely it is very much easy for them. So in this figure, AB is parallel to PQ. See, this AB is parallel to PQ. That means I need to consider this triangle POB. And AC is parallel to PR. In this case, I need to consider triangle POR. Use BPT, get 2 statements, and let us see how to use converse of BPT by using third statement. So let us start step by step. Given to prove, what is to be proved? BC is parallel to QR. Now in triangle POQ, I will go to triangle POQ because AB and PQ are the given dimensions which are in POQ. So I need to consider triangle POQ in which AB parallel PQ. It is given. Now use the BPT. OA upon AP and OB upon OQ. They are equal. BPT statement number 1. Same thing for in triangle POR. So mention that in triangle POR, OA upon OP is equals to OC upon CR. OA upon AP is equals to OC upon CR. This is again by BPT. Statement number 2. Now look at statement number 1 and 2. LHS of this is OA upon AP. LHS of statement number 2 is OA upon AP. That means RHS has to be equal. Therefore, from 1 and 2 I can write OB upon OQ is equals to OC upon CR. Now see, या हे दोन कुठे आहेत सेगमेंट OB, OQ, OC, CR, they are in this triangle. Now consider triangle OQR. So in triangle OQR, if you take this statement OB upon OQ is equals to OC upon CR, so two sides are in proportion, then the third side has to be parallel to BC, that is by converse of BPT. So BC is parallel to QR, hence proved. So this is how we can solve question number 6. 2 steps by BPT and third step by converse of BPT. It is again sometimes for 2 marks or maybe for 3 marks. Now question number 7 and question number 8 are almost same. They are same, very simple questions. Both the questions are for 2 marks. So we will solve both the questions. See, question number 7 and 8 diagram is not given, so we need to draw the diagram according to the given information. So question number 7, question number 7, using theorem 6.1, prove that a line through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. Recall that you have proved it in class 9. Class 9th मध्ये आपण midpoint theorem prove केलेला आहे, but here that theorem is to be proved by using BPT. So friends, we will solve this question. Before that, if you like my videos, if they are beneficial for you, then definitely like it, share it, subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can receive notifications regarding new videos. So let us continue question number 7. So first we need to draw the diagram according to given information. This question is only for 2 marks. A line drawn through the midpoint. See, let us draw the diagram. Let the triangle be ABC, and if D is the midpoint of one side, so D is the midpoint of AB. So identical marks, I will make the identical marks here, and see, this point is D, which is midpoint of one side. Line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle to another side bisects the third parallel to another side. See, and this is parallel to BC and intersect at point E. What is given? Triangle is given, midpoint of one side is given, and through that midpoint line is drawn to another side, and that line, which is parallel to another side, intersect AC such that it bisects the AC. That means AE is equals to AC. It is to be proved. So very simple question. I will write given first. Draw the diagram. Write the given. In triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of AB and DE parallel BC, it is given. And what is to be proved? To prove bisects the third side, that is AE is equals to EC. हे मला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. डी मिड पॉइंट आहे, BC ला DE पॅरल आहे, देन E has to be midpoint of AC, that is E must bisect AC, that is AE is equals to EC. So how to prove it? Very simple proof. See, D is the midpoint of D is the midpoint of AB. Now, therefore, AD must be equals to BD, and therefore, AD upon BD is equals to 1. Same length upon same length is 1. Now here I need to prove AE is equals to EC. Okay, now I will use BPT. In triangle ABC, again it is given that DE parallel BC. It is given. So use BPT here. AD upon DB, AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. This is by BPT. Now see, AD upon DB we have found here. Let it be number 1. So this AD upon BD I can replace by 1. So this 1 is equals to AE upon EC. This is from 1. Write the reason. Where एक कुठून आलं तर ते AD upon DB, AD upon BD, it is nothing but 1. So I replace AD upon BD by 1. Cross multiplication. So 1 into EC is EC is equals to AE, and therefore AE is equals to EC. Very simple. It is to be proved, already proved. So it is proved. So I will repeat this question once again. See, they have not mentioned any name of triangle or name of the midpoint. So I need to write the diagram according to given information. So triangle ABC is any triangle. D is the midpoint of AB, and through point midpoint D, a line is parallel to BC, intersect AC in point E. It is given. Now we need to prove this line bisects AC, that is AE is equals to EC is to be proved. As D is the midpoint of AB, I can write AD is equals to BD, and AD upon BD, that is same number upon same number, has to be 1. And from this, in triangle ABC, DE parallel BC, AD upon BD is equals to AE upon EC. So 1 is equals to AE upon EC. So EC is equals to AE, that is AE is equals to EC, proved.